Pogo-sticking. That's what I want to talk to you about quickly. It's the idea that the website is, your website, somewhere that people can click out of Google, and then if they don't like it, they click back. And then they click into somebody else's website. And if they don't like that, they click back. And that back and forth motion, that's been termed pogo-sticking. So just as a basic, for instance, let's search for something on Google and let's look and imagine that there are 4 results. Just 4, obviously it's normally 10. So let's label them A, B, C, D, and we'll click into website A. Now, this isn't a very good website, ranks pretty highly, but you know, we've gone into the website, it's not good. Within 12 seconds, we're going back, and then we click on website B, which is a bit better. Spend a bit more time in here and maybe even send an inquiry. But because this is the kind of thing where you may want a couple of quotes, you leave and go to website C. Now website C is much better and you spend quite a bit more time in here and you read a few pages and then you fill in the form. Now, what does Google see from its perspective? It saw that you went into A for 12 seconds, you went into B for a minute, and then you went into C and you never came back for this query. Maybe you came back to Google straight away or many hours later and searched for something else, but they don't know about that. This session actually identifies that you had a short click on A and a long click on C in this instance. And Google can use this to understand that this is your human experience feedback into Google to tell them that A is a poor website and C is a very good one. So Google can then use that as a ranking factor and change the website C, push their ranking up and push website A's ranking down. This human interaction with your website is extremely important and it's really a big driving factor, and it's why we still help clients make better websites even though the vast majority of the work we do is search engine optimization. Because once you've done some link building, you've done some cool work to get to the top of the rankings, you need to play this game and you need to hold the winning position and click into the top position by proving to Google that you're the best damn website because you meet people's intent. So I hope that was useful. Thanks very much.